Hi, welcome to Lecture 1, Cluster Analysis and Introduction. In this first lecture, we're going to introduce the basic concepts of cluster analysis. We are going to discuss what is cluster analysis, the applications of cluster analysis, the requirements and challenges of cluster analysis, and we will present cluster analysis from a multi-dimensional point of view. Essentially, it's a multi-dimensional categorization. We will provide an overview on typical clustering methodologies, an overview on clustering different types of data, an overview on user insights and clustering, and finally, we'll provide a summary of this lecture. So the first session is on what is cluster analysis. To understand what is cluster analysis, we should know first, what is a cluster? A cluster is actually a collection of data objects. Those objects are similar within the same cluster. That means the objects are similar to one another within the same group. And they are rather different, or they are dissimilar or unrelated to the objects in other groups or in other clusters. Then cluster analysis, which is also called clustering or data segmentation, essentially is giving a set of data points. The cluster analysis is to partition them into a set of clusters, or we say groups. They are as similar as possible within the same group and as far apart as possible among different groups. Cluster analysis is unsupervised learning in the sense there's no predefined classes. This is very different from classification, which needs supervised learning or needs to given the class labels, then you can construct the classification models. There are many ways to use or apply cluster analysis. Essentially, cluster analysis can either provide as a standalone tool to get insight into your data distribution, like a summary. Or you can use it to serve as a pre-processing step or intermediate step for other algorithms like classification or prediction or many other tasks, including data mining and other applications. Thank you.